Because today, the rules of speed have been rewritten.
Jeep rattled the walls this week with the unveiling of the 2021 Wrangler Rubicon 392 and its 470 horsepower 6.4-liter V8 engine. With a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds and 470 pounds-feet of torque, the Wrangler Rubicon 392 is the most capable and powerful Wrangler yet, on and off-road. This is the first time in more than 40 years that a V8 engine has been a factory-installed option in a Wrangler, fulfilling a years-long request from Jeep fans. Other key features of the Rubicon 392 include a functional hood scoop with the HydroGuide induction system to feed the powerful engine, and steering wheel-mounted shift paddles for performance driving. The Wrangler Rubicon 392 reaches showrooms in the first quarter of next year.